Hello class, and you're welcome to Wanies Academy. In the mathematics class today, we're looking at Introduction to Proportions. Last week, we looked at real-life application fraction, and today we're looking at Introduction to Proportions. The aim of the lesson is to understand the basis of proportion, and the objective of the lesson is that you'll be able to understand proportion and solve examples on proportion. So what is a proportion? Proportion is an equation that defines that the two even ratios or fractions are equivalent to each other. In other words, we can have it that proportion states the equality of two fractions or the ratios. For example, if we have 1 out of 3 is equivalent to 2 out of 6. So here we can have it that we see that 1 out of 3 is equivalent to 2 out of 6. So the ratios or the fractions are the same. So they are in proportion. This fraction that we have here, they are in proportion because they are equal to each other. We can use proportions to solve questions involving descent. By using this, we can have it that part over whole equals to descent over 100. All right. Now let's use this to solve this example. Let's solve this example. In this example, we have it that what is $12 as a percent of $80? What is $12 as a percent of $80? So what we have to do here is to fill in what we know. So from here, we have part to be $12, and we have the whole to be $80. We are asked to find the percent, which we don't know, so we have here to be percent. Then over 100. So what we have to do here is to cross multiply. We have to cross multiply, so we're going to have percent multiplied by $80, then equals to, we have $12 multiplied by 100. So from here, we're going to divide both sides by $80. So we're going to have percent to be $12 times 100, we're going to have this to be $1,200. So we have $1,200 divide by $80. So from here, we can divide, because 0 can take off 0, dollar will take off dollars. Then 120 divided by 8. 120 divided by 8, we're going to have that to be percent. So we're going to have the answer here to be 15%. So we're going to have this to be 15%. So we can say that $12 is 15% of $80. So that will be the end of today's class. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do well to click the subscribe button now. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye.